Hi everyone, my name is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss how do we export our code from Visual Studio Code to PDF file, or maybe we can print directly from Visual Studio Code without using Notepad like my previous tutorial. But before we are going to the tutorial, I'm so grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much and let's get started with my video. Okay, so first of all, I want to say sorry for my English is not good. So if the word I use are incorrect, please help me to point out. Okay, so right now, we are going to talk about how do we export our code from Visual Studio Code to PDF file, or we can print directly from Visual Studio Code. Okay, first we need to connect our computer to the internet connection, and then open Visual Studio Code, and then open file you want to print. In this series, I open my my Android Studio file. This is activity main.xml. Once you have opened your Visual Studio Code and then select extension and then type here PrintCode, and here just click, and this is the developer. We can scroll up, scroll down, and then we need to select install here. Just wait a second and we can see PrintCode has been installed in our Visual Studio Code. And then how do we use this extension? Let's try. Okay, maybe let's say we want to print this code. To print this code, first we need to open our file and then just press Ctrl Shift and P and just type here PrintCode and just press enter. And as we can see here, print pop-up will appear. We can select destination, save as PDF, or maybe we can select our print device. So maybe I select save as PDF and just save, and then select the directory, maybe, and then save. We can open our PDF file, and now we have successfully export our code to PDF file. Okay, so simple. Okay, I think enough for this section. If you have any questions or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much and see you again on the next video.